Are you an aspiring podcaster feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many creators struggle with starting their journeys. Discover how indie creators like Deka Hussein Wetzel and Vanessa Quirk became successful with their podcast, Urban Roots. They started this journey in 2020, fueled by passion and purpose. Deka wanted to preserve marginalized stories, while Vanessa aimed to make a social impact. Their collaboration birthed Urban Roots, a remarkable nonprofit podcast that sets itself apart in a crowded market. What makes Urban Roots unique? First, it's a nonprofit dedicated to amplifying unheard voices. Second, their partnership with local organizations expands their reach, fostering community engagement. Finally, they emphasize sustainability and ethical storytelling, ensuring they give back to the communities they highlight. Unlike many podcasts, Urban Roots thrives by focusing on community and purpose. They actively engage the audience through social media and partnerships. This commitment to integrity and collaboration is what sets them ahead of competitors. Are you ready to start your podcast journey? Join the wave of indie creators making a difference. Dive into your passion today and explore what stories you can share with the world. Visit our website now to learn more and get started.